What's up, guys? Here we have a 2016 VW Tiguan crossover SUV type car, and we're going to be resetting the tire pressure lights. Now you want to reset this after you have inflated your tires to the recommended level, and you can find that on your door jamb right here. So about 38 psi cold tire pressure level. So once you inflate all four tires to that level, we can resync it with the car. We're gonna hit the power or the on button one time. So we're not gonna start the engine. All right, once we're at this menu, we're gonna hit OK. Now we'll navigate to the settings menu. And once we are there, we're gonna scroll down to tire pressure. We're gonna hit OK and hit store. Then all four of our tires, we have to make sure it's at that 38 psi. Hit confirm, tire pressure is stored. Now we can go ahead, start the car up. All right, now the tire pressure light has been reset. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. Check out my channel for more car videos. I'll also show you how to reset that oil light in a different video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.